So I failed my hearing test again. Um, I'm still not hearing some of the higher frequency sounds. And since I didn't have a baseline hearing test before treatment, they really don't have anything to measure it off of. And when I see my oncologist tomorrow, I should know further how often they'll want to do testings, or if they're just wanting to do another testing at the end of my treatment. But they did say if I have worsening tinnitus or any type of like where my ears just feel like super duper duper congested, to get back in for a testing before. But basically, I just have to go off of whatever my oncologist says tomorrow. So I won't know anything further until tomorrow. And then tomorrow, I get another round of immunotherapy infusions, as well as meeting my oncologist. I don't have to do an echocardiogram this time, which means that I will have to do an echocardiogram in 3 weeks. But I have another round of reconstructive fills, which I decided I'm only going to have this next round tomorrow of reconstructive fills, and then one more round of reconstructive fills, and then I am done. I have to keep the tissue expanders in for 3 months, and then it will be my final tissue exchange surgery. And then on the plus side, I did the calculations and I only have 5 total more rounds of infusions before I'm done. And I can finally put this chapter of my life behind me, and I get to ring the bell, which I get my infusions every 3 weeks. So that is March 13th. Um, when I get my final um round of infusions, and I can ring the bell and I have a huge celebration plan. I just can't wait. So if you're a woman, go get your mammogram. Early detection matters. Early detection saves lives. Drop a heart in the comment section. Give me a follow for the rest of my journey. Subscribe. Share this video with someone who needs to see it. And above all, be blessed.